Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to see some question that we have answered in our FAQ. So monthly compulsory deposit received from every member every month with principal and interest. So if you want monthly compulsory deposit, then you need to create RD. So for example, let's say I have created few customers. I will go to the all list and refresh. So here you can see I will click to F-4 and let's click to the deposit. So here there are different types of deposit we have. Let's open recurring deposit. So for example, let's say 300 yearly subscription, yearly rate of interest, let's say 12% and for 6 months. So I will calculate here. So here you can see maturity principal is 1800 and total amount is 1862. So I will create this as a backdated. So for example, let's say on January 2022. So let's save this RD. So you can see deposit file saved successfully. Now I will search this D-5. So here you can see if I go to the installment tracker, here you can see we can receive this deposit with interest. So 3, 9, 18, these are the interest that we have charged to, we can give to the member. So we can receive from here as I have created this backdated. So we can receive this one by let's say in January I will receive 300. Then again 300 in Feb. Whenever we received, we can refresh the tracker and you can check here the amount is received. So here let's receive again 300 for March, then 300 for April, then 300 for May. One by one you can receive or you can receive one time also, and you can select the cash or bank, any mode of payment. So in 17 June 300. So here you can see total 1800 we have received. Now if I just go to the installment tracker and just refresh the tracker, here you can see all the amount is received. Now if I go to the maturity pay, settlement and pay. So here we can select cash or bank. So I will select cash and with this amount 1800 plus interest 62 we need to give to the our customer. So the date here you can mention and just click to the pay. So we have paid this and you can before closing this account you can check in a transaction customer balance is 0 and interest paid 62 and cash also paid 1862. So total balance is 0. So this type we can easily manage RD principal with interest in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.